Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today's topic will take in from CBSE pattern grade 4 to 5th and this is a part 4. Okay, this is a part 4 here. In previous session already discussed about short, hard, horny beaks and cone-shaped beak found in sparrow, finch, peacock and pigeon and some and strong, sharp and curved beak. This is found in this type of beaks found in kite, hawk, vulture and owl and this type of birds also known as prey of bird. So here only discuss about hooked beak. Okay, hooked beak. Hooked beak. Okay, so let's start without any wasting time. Let's start. A parrot has a hooked beak. A parrot has a hooked beak or curved beak to crack nuts and fruits easily. To crack nuts and hard fruit easily with this type of hooked beak. So hooked beak is this type of beaks found in parrot and the parrot is the only bird. The upper, unlike birds, upper part of moves on its beaks. The upper part of parrots moves on beaks. Okay, so firstly draw here parrots. Okay, so this is a beaks, parrots. Hooked. This is a hooked. Okay, and draw. Okay, this. This is a parrot. You can see on your screen. This is a parrot. Okay, and here this is the eyes. This is a parrot. Okay, you can see on your very beautiful birds found in our nature, and this bird is very beautiful. This upper part, this upper part moves on its beaks. Okay, this is a parrot. This upper part moves on beaks. You can see on your screen. This upper part moves on screen. Here, red color. You can see on your screen. This is a hooked beak. Hooked beak. Okay? This is a hooked beak. Yeah. And the green color, the parrot's body having a green color and the upper parts of parrots moves on its beaks. Okay, so this is a parrot. This is a parrot. Okay. The parrot, unlike other birds, A parrot. The hooked beak found in parrot. Okay, a parrot. A parrot has a hooked beak. A parrot has a hooked beak. Look at this blackboard. This is shape of just like a hook. Okay, the beak of parrot just like a hook. A parrot has a hooked beak. A parrot has a hooked beak. Okay, this hooked beak. Because this type of beaks helps in parrot to easily crack nuts and hard foods. This is this type of beaks found in parrot. Okay, and upper parts of it, unlike other birds, the parrot the parrots the upper part parrot moves its beak. Okay, upper part of parrot moves its beaks. Okay, and this type of beaks help to crack nuts. This type of beaks help to crack nuts. And hard food. Okay, and hard fruits. So this is a very interesting and very knowledgeable topic, hooked beak. A parrot has a hooked beak, or we can say a curved beak, or curled beak. Okay, this is it. So let's revise. A parrot has a hooked or curved beak. Unlike other birds, the upper part of parrots moves its beaks. Okay, moves its beak. This type of beaks help to crack nuts and hard fruits. This is a diagram of parrot. Okay, so we will end this video here, and I will request to all, please subscribe, like, and more, share, and press the button for upcoming notification for this series. And next video we will know about woodpecker and hoopie. Okay, this type of birds we will know about a very interesting topic. So stay tuned. Goodbye. Take care.